Hello, Ms. Scary Brown with another thing. So today we're going to be talking about, basically we're going to review the different parts of a body paragraph. And I'm going to highlight them in different colors so that you can see them. Okay, so this is a transitions from my last paragraph to this paragraph. And then I also need to kind of let my reader know what I'm talking about, which is my topic sentence. I need to have a signal phrase. This whole thing, the name and the date, all that is a signal phrase. So I need to have that. Then this right here is my summary. Okay, the summary of the actual fact. So that will make it pink. Why not? And an in-text citation. Need that. Can't live without it. Okay, we're going to make that orange. Now, your mini conclusion is where your analysis happens, where you make sure that they understand why this fact helps prove this thesis, and it's super important. So that's what that looks like. So you don't actually want to turn the paper in with all these funky colors. So once you've made sure that you have all the parts to your body paragraph, you can go ahead and get rid of the highlights. Otherwise, it won't look very professional. All right, brown out.